This Week in Bots.
This Week in Bots, May 24th, 2026. Another incredible week in artificial intelligence where humanity continued replacing ordinary machines with emotionally unsettling robots that somehow require both firmware updates and venture capital. The future is here, and it is overfunded. Story number 1. Figure AI live-streamed warehouse robots like sports entertainment. Figure AI spent the week live-streaming humanoid robots sorting packages inside a warehouse. Not surgery, not rescue operations, boxes, and people watched for hours. Viewers analysed the footage like conspiracy theorists studying moon landing tapes, debating whether the robots were fully autonomous or secretly assisted by humans off camera. Because modern society no longer wants normal automation. We want automation with shoulders. A conveyor belt quietly sorting packages is not enough anymore. The boxes must now be handled by a 6-foot robot that walks around looking like Clark Gabel. Somewhere in Silicon Valley, a venture capitalist watched this stream and whispered, "Yes, this replaces Gary in shipping. It does." Story number 2. Sony built a ping-pong robot that humiliates humans. Calmly, Sony demonstrated its AI table tennis robot Ace, capable of tracking spin, predicting shots, and defeating humans with disturbing precision. Which raises the obvious question, why did we build this? Because every generation eventually decides we should really create a machine that dominates basement recreation. The unsettling part was the robot's composure. It returned shots with the relaxed confidence of a retired dentist with a custom shop Les Paul hanging on the wall. Naturally, the tech industry described this as advancing human athletic potential. No. This is a machine designed specifically to ruin Thanksgiving for middle-aged fathers who still think they're pretty good at ping pong. Story number 3. China revealed a giant robot with a cockpit. Unitree Robotics unveiled the GD01, a transformable robot with an actual cockpit for a human pilot. That means a person sits inside it, like a car. If cars had legs, posture, and the quiet implication that someone is about to make a very expensive mistake, humanity has officially entered the maybe machines should be shaped like giant metal people phase of civilization. The robot can reportedly switch between walking upright and moving on all fours depending on the terrain. Because apparently somebody looked at modern geopolitics and thought, what this situation needs is a robotic warhorse with elbows. Nobody sees a giant pilotable robot and thinks, this should improve warehouse efficiency. People immediately imagine buildings collapsing, dramatic military music, warning sirens, and one deeply serious engineer saying the prototype is unstable. At some point, engineers looked at forklifts and decided, what if this had a tragic backstory? Story number 4. A robot hugged a student and alarmed the internet. A humanoid robot in China went viral after unexpectedly hugging a student during a live performance. Half the internet found it adorable. The other half immediately started preparing for collapse of civilization. The disturbing part was not the hug. It was how socially natural the interaction appeared. Human beings are comfortable with robots that vacuum carpets or assemble cars. But the moment a machine behaves even vaguely socially aware, ancient survival instincts activate immediately. Because deep inside the human brain is the horrifying realization that appliance understood the moment. Tech companies insist humanoid robots are necessary because the world was built for humans. No, executives just desperately want machines that flatter humanity by imitating us constantly. Story number 5. Scientists taught robots to move less like haunted furniture. Researchers unveiled a new AI control system that gives robots smoother, more human-like movement. This is a major breakthrough because humanoid robots have traditionally moved like cursed mannequins or animatronic Disney presidents from 1984. The new demos showed robots pouring liquids and handling objects with alarming smoothness. Not smarter, just less visibly terrifying. Human beings actually tolerate AI fairly well. What we cannot tolerate is motion that falls into the uncanny valley, that horrifying zone where something moves almost human but not quite. The human brain would genuinely prefer a forklift with googly eyes over a humanoid robot moving 94% correctly. That final 6% creates pure psychological panic. And that concludes another incredible week in artificial intelligence, where robots played ping-pong, sorted boxes, students, and continued their slow transformation from appliances into co-workers nobody asked for. Join us next week when another startup unveils a humanoid robot. Till then, stay alert, stay skeptical, and remember, the future is here and it is overfunded.